In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill a shape with image in Inkscape. So let's get into it. So first I'm gonna draw a shape. You can draw anything that you want by using rectangle, square tool, circle, or star or polygon tool. So I'm drawing this, and then I am going to center it by using the alignment tool. Okay, so let's say I want to place an image within this shape. So to do that, I am importing an image. Okay, now I'm just gonna put it in the center. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the path layer to the top, and then I'm selecting this image and going to the path. From there, I'm converting this image from object to path. Okay, so now if you use Mac, press Shift key and select the both layer, and then go to the objects. From there, clip, and then set clip. Right, so as you can see that now the image is now within this shape. So friends, this is how you can use image within a shape in Inkscape. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.